Forget everything you think you know about British food. We're doing a no-nonsense thousand-year tour, richer, stranger, and far tastier than the stereotypes. Start in the Middle Ages. Pottage, big simmering stews, grains, veg, meat you could spare. It wasn't bland, it was practical. Herbs, ale, sourdough, salt, so precious, was a status symbol. For the elite, banquets flexed power, whole boars, spiced sauces, sugar sculptures. Sugar wasn't sweet tooth, it was medicine, spice, and money. Then trade kicked the doors open. The Tudors and Stuarts splashed cinnamon, pepper, nutmeg across the table. Coffee houses buzzed with ideas and caffeine long before tea took the throne. Tea became national not because it was quaint, but because empire made it affordable. A luxury turned daily ritual. Industrial Britain changed the plate again. Cities meant factory hours, less time to cook, more need for energy. Enter cheap carbs, bread, potatoes, pies, fish and chips, a 19th century power couple, Jewish fried fish traditions, industrial potatoes, steam-powered trawlers, pure working-class fuel. Empire didn't just bring spices in, it rewired tastes. Curry houses emerged with South Asian migration, especially after World War II. Chicken tikka masala, likely born in Britain, marinated chicken, creamy tomato sauce, built to please local palates. Not a fake curry, a British curry, shaped by diaspora and demand. Hardship forged comfort classics. Wartime rationing made ingenuity a national sport. Carrots in cakes for sweetness, powdered eggs, Wilton pie. The goal wasn't gourmet, it was survival with dignity. Those habits stuck. Thrift, batch cooking, simple flavors done well. Look closer and the beige myth falls apart. Tangy pickles with cheese, sharp brown sauce with bacon, mustard brightening roast beef. Even the Sunday roast is a spice story. Pepper, cloves, and nutmeg once signaled wealth. Regional Britain matters too. Scotland's oats, haggis, smoked fish. Wales with laver bread and lamb. Northern pies, hot pots, parkin. Cornwall's pasties built for miners' hands. Today the plate is global and proudly local. British food isn't one dish. It's a conversation across centuries. So why the bad reputation? Austerity and exported stereotypes. Step inside and you'll taste resilience, migration, and trade in every bite. Here's the myth bust. British cuisine isn't boring, pragmatic, adaptive, surprisingly daring. From medieval stews to masala-soaked midnight snacks, it's making the most of world and weather. Next time someone cracks a joke, I'll hand them a hot pasty, a crisp piece of cod, and a proper curry, then say, taste the history.